Good afternoon, YouTubers. RVDebs here with you. It's Sunday, and I thought I would do something a little different today and prepare my meal and use my little, I guess you could call it a mini tripod. It's very hard to keep it steady, but right now it seems to be working. I'm using it right now. I made for you, I have Joseph pita bread, which is a low-carb pita bread, and it's delicious. And I'm getting back on my keto plan, although I still have some of these pitas. I bought them at Walmart and I won't be wasting them. So as they go away, that's going to be the end for a while for me. Anyway, this is going to be a really good meal, so I hope you enjoy the video. I started with sauteing onions, red bell peppers, and fresh chopped up small jalapeno in a little bit of butter, and that part of the video I thought I had it on record, but I didn't. So I'm going to start the video now, and just know that in the frying pan is onion, red bell pepper, chopped up jalapenos with a little bit of cilantro leaves, and after that's done I make a area in the center where I put my eggs, but you'll see the rest of it. So this is my first time doing a cooking video with different angles, and I'm just trying to get it better. Hope you enjoy it. It's delicious. I enjoyed every drop of it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out and enjoy. Bon appetit. Hi everyone. I thought I'd do something a little different today and make my lunch with you, and I'm trying to figure out what best angle is for my camera. So I'll be right back. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Mix it around a little bit. This is how I do the avocado. Just make a cut all the way. Give it a twist. Ooh, a nice one. Didn't come out that easy. Okay. I'm just scoring it just because I'm going to get it out of this and mash it up on my bread. Okay. Turn the heat down a little bit. I am now making a circle. I'll put my couple eggs. Doesn't always stand up good because they're like wobbly little legs, but that's what's going on. I'm going to put a little more butter. There we go. And I'm going to put in a little bit of the cilantro that I have. Time for the eggs. Whoa. That was fun. Didn't break it. Little salt and pepper on the eggs. And some pepper. Okay. I'm letting the eggs cook for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of, I think, a little garlic. And a little Cajun spice just to make it different. I'm just putting the garlic on the veggies. Give it a little kick. New Orleans style. Okay. Okay, I'm going to cover these for a few minutes. Just steaming the eggs. Yum. And I'm going to put some cheese. Marble Jack I've got today. You can use any kind, actually. Okay. I'm going to put a little cheese all over. Okay. Yum! Okay, I'm going to let that steam and melt and prepare my avocado and my bread. Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do, actually, I got this really great sriracha mayo. So I'm going to use this. But you could just use regular mayo and put a little sriracha in it. Okay. And then take a spoon, go along the edge, and push down. See, it comes out clean. It's gonna, I mean, you could do half would be enough, but I'm going to use the whole avocado because I live alone and I don't want to ruin it and waste it, and it's going to be good. That's it. And then I'm going to mash it gently. Isn't that delicious? That would be good just like that. But no, I have to get it all good. So a little salt. Okay. And I'm going to cut a lemon. Squeeze that on there. I love avocado and lemon. You can leave it out if you don't like it. Okay. And I believe everything's cooked. Turning it off. Now, at this point, I won't be able to put it all on there, but I'm going to take one egg. And okay, I'm going to put some of the onion, red pepper, the cilantro. What else? Little jalapenos in there, an onion. I'll put as much as I can get on there. Okay. Every bite should have something yummy. A tomato. Look good, doesn't it? Oops. Oops. My cutting board slid off. Okay. And now the egg. That's it. I do have an extra egg here, but doesn't that look delicious? Oh yes, I will take a bite too. I'm going to cut it with a fork at this point. I want a little bit of pepper and a little bit of egg. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Mm-hmm. A lot of textures. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a lazy Sunday. Waiting for friends to come tonight. And the breakfast, it's actually a brunch. Looks pretty darn good. Thanks for watching.